In this episode of The Lonely Ab, I'm going to show you how to make this. So basically, if you're eating healthy, you're probably tired of eating chicken breast and broccoli and brown rice. So my girlfriend Miriam asked, can you spice it up a little bit, literally? So we made a take on Thai peanut sauce chicken. There are really 4 basic steps to making this meal. 1 is gathering, 2 is preparation, 3 is cooking, and 4 is plating. I'm going to walk you through all those steps. Feel free to deviate and make it your own, and I hope you like it. First part of the prep is prepping the chicken. You can use whatever chicken pieces you like, whether it's these little tenders or chicken breast, or I usually like chicken thighs. One thing I have my girlfriend bought is a one-handed can opener. So I was gonna ask her to open the can and I was gonna film her doing it, but she reminded me that we have this. So this is me literally doing this for the first time. And I'm looking at this can right now. Please note that this whole top edge is very sharp. So be careful when you do it, but it does work.
That.
What's in my life? Gonna feel real good. Gonna make a difference. Gonna make it right. Okay, so now that I have my trusty glove, you'll see that I don't want to fuss around with a spoon and hard to get out peanut butter. So I have this organic creamy peanut butter. I just stuck it in the microwave for like 20 seconds so that now all I have to do is just pour it in the pot. Again, whatever makes it easier. Okay, I added olive oil to the pan. I have my seasoned chicken here. The next step is just to add the chicken in and saute it pretty much on medium. Let it get going and hope for the best, but it's already smelling good. The peanut sauce by this time is smelling great. I want a little bit more sauce.